What is going on, everybody? Today we are going to take a look at the Olight i5R titanium. Alright, so yeah, Olight i5R EOS in titanium. Little code thing there if anybody wants to scan that. Tells you how to take it apart and take the blocking battery tab off. Totally reversed from the way that everybody else does it. Usually we take the head off in order to access that, but okay, Olight does like to be different, hence the fact that they do use a totally customized batteries in pretty much every single flashlight. There's our power cord for charging our flashlight. So get rid of that, get rid of that. Alright, so get rid of that thing there. So let's get rid of that. That's the blocker to save the battery. We have the rechargeable battery that the power cord recharges. And of course this is a 1420. Okay, yeah, like I said, a 2.4 volt battery. Now this version is compatible with your AA batteries, which is very cool, which is the reason why I bought this particular light. And it does tell you right there, tells you what it comes with. It's customized lithium battery, and then it tells you the various AA batteries that it is compatible with. And I guess that's pretty much it. It tells you how to plug it in and charge it. Pretty self-explanatory. And we have two modes, okay? Super simple. I do like that. A nice low mode in case you're getting up in the middle of the night and don't want to wake anybody up, but you want some light but not blow everybody up. And there's your high mode, which is 350 lumens. That's pretty powerful. Pretty good. I mean, for a simple little flashlight, this is $60, so you can't expect the world. So super easy interface. I do like easy interfaces. I just want to, and I actually like that. I think that's what I liked about the little ones, the little AA's. Just really get to what you need. And what I need is a nice good low mode and a good high power mode. Just so I can get to the doing what I need to do. This is full titanium. It's got a nice finish to it. These go for, I do believe, like I said, I think it was around $60. So not too bad. Like I said, super simple. Got your two-way pocket clip, which is very nice and handy if you're wearing a hat and want to stick it on a hat. And it fits good in your pocket. Fairly deep carry. Nothing to protect the button. That's definitely a downfall for me. I do like something protecting the button from going off but it does take a fair amount to actually press it. So, but I do prefer to be recessed and protected. That is a very nice, convenient thing. So, and I like a super simple, nice AA batteries. I like it because you have a AA battery you can access anywhere in the world, no matter where you're at. It is the most common battery used. So there you guys go. That's it for today. That is the i5R EOS in titanium. We will catch you guys next time. Have a great day.